how to enable and use dual camera features on any Android phone. So if you want to enable and use dual camera features on any Android phone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your dual camera application. Make sure that you install it from your Play Store. After that, just simply tap on OK. After that, tap on the camera option. Tap on while using the application. Wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see that you will have front camera and a back camera in the top and bottom of your screen. If you go with the top right, which has the swap option, it will be swapped. Or you can also go with the top right, which has that second option. And from here, you can just simply go and choose the format. And then take a picture, which will be on the bottom. Or you also have the video option. You can just simply go with the video. Or you also have the settings. You can just simply go with settings like your video output. It might be vertically or horizontally, your image output. You can also go with save files quality. You can choose high, medium, and low. And in this way, you'll be able to use and enable your dual camera features on any Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.